All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Sunday preposition. So forwards, to go onwards. We move forward together. They moved forward in life. Yeah. You have to keep moving forward in life. Yeah. Always push forward to achieve your goals. How cool is that? Yeah. I went forward in life. Yes. Yeah. Inch by inch, and day by day, I am moving forward in life. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. We move forward together. How ready are you to move forward with the plans? Definitely. I am moving forward with them now. Yes, we're moving forward. We're moving forward with the application. Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that? Do you think they will go forward with it soon? Maybe. They might go forward. It just depends on a few things. Yeah, we need to sort some things out first. Sort some things out first. Then we can move forward. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use forward in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.